Hi, I'm Lori the Herbchick, and I'm here for a quick tip on how to deal with some of the produce from your garden. This year our gardens were slightly delayed because of the extra spring rain, so our broccoli is just starting to spit off these small heads, and then off to the sides we're getting some of these small little offshoots that aren't really heads, they're more of like a Rob style broccoli. Now this is all totally edible, but you know, sometimes you want to wait a day or two before you cook it up. So I don't know if you guys have noticed this, but if you put this in a container just the way it is in your refrigerator, it shrivels up and it gets limp and weird, kind of rubbery, and it's not at all like the ones that you get from the grocery store. Well, the way that you can eliminate that rubbery texture is to go ahead and place this in cold water. I've got a bowl right here. I'm just going to put these broccoli pieces in this cold water. You want to make sure you have the stems down in the water. And that will keep in your refrigerator for up to a week. And then you will have nice fresh broccoli. If you go out and you pick a few more a day or two later, all of this broccoli will be totally and completely edible, and it will keep this nice firm texture. You have to remember these broccoli florets are actually flowers. That is the part that we eat the most of, even though the entire plant is edible. So you want to treat it just like fresh picked flowers. Enjoy! Hopefully that gardening tip will help you a little bit with your garden produce. Remember, the Herbchick doesn't just deal with herbs. Any kind of plant that grows in your backyard, I'm on it. If you want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, like and follow my page. There'll be more for everyone.